I'm gonna show you how to do the cage pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube step by step. So I'll do it really slowly so that you can see every step I'm doing on this alg, okay? So let's do this. Have to move this left layer down like this, you can see. Now with this upper layer you move to the left side. Now you do a double move on the front layer. Now you go up with the left layer like this. Really easy until now. Now you have to move 2 times with this upper layer. You go down with this back layer. Now you do this move, the opposite down here. Now you do a double move on the back side. Now you go down, you move down on the front layer, same with the back layer, with the right layer as well, with the left layer as well. You can see the pattern is already forming here. Now you go up with this front layer and go up with the right layer, and now you have the cage pattern. You can see, really beautiful. Wow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more contents like this, and comment below if you liked and if you want more videos on my channel. I'll wait you for the next contents. Take care.